Hey everybody, Mr. Francis and Mrs. Francis here for another reading with Mr. Francis. So very excited. We have already read a couple of Elephant and Piggy books, which are by Mo Willems, who has given permission to us to read his wonderful books. Thank you, Mr. Willems. So we're going to read another because we've heard some good things that a lot of friends out there love Elephant and Piggy. So this one is called There Is a Bird on Your Head. Looking at the cover, I see a bird on Elephant's head. He doesn't look very excited about it. And then you've got Piggy in the background who's just kind of showing us what's going on. Yeah, there you go.
He's excited, I think.
Well, let's read to find out. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's do it. There is a bird on your head. Piggy? Is there something on my head?
Yes. There is a bird on your head.
There's a bird on my head? Ah! Is the bird on my head now?
No. Now there are two birds on your head.
What are two birds doing on my head?
They are in love.
The birds on my head are in love.
They are lovebirds.
Lovebirds? How do you know that they're lovebirds?
They are making a nest.
Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds be making a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head?
One, two, three! You have 3 eggs on your head. Oh.
I do not want 3 eggs on my head.
Then I have good news.
The eggs are gone?
The eggs are hatching! Yay!
Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching!
They have hatched.
Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head.
And 2 birds and a nest.
I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and 1 nest on my head.
Where do you want them?
Somewhere else!
Why not ask them to go somewhere else?
Ask them?
Ask them!
Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you go somewhere else?
No problem.
Oh, it worked.
Bye.
Oh, now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
Oh, look where they are now.
The end.
The end. Hey, sometimes all you gotta do is ask, and you shall receive. Well, thank you guys for joining us for another Piggy and Elephant adventure. And yeah, there's a bird on your head. Stay tuned for many more Elephant and Piggy books, I'm sure, to come. So have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.